All right, we're opening up the connection and putting more nylon. That's okay, right there. Yeah, the teeth. Open here. We're gonna put the nylon only on the outside of the flare. Yeah, right there. That's good. And then we're gonna put on the teeth. The threads. The teeth. Yeah, that one. That's it. Also importante. Yeah, no leaking.
Yeah.
Leaking, big problem. Yeah. That's it. So we're gonna do it. That's for the low pressure, and then the small one's a high pressure. We do it for both. Again, that's a 22. 22 for the big nut, and the other one's gonna use a crescent wrench. Okay.
What was it?
Yeah, same. So you take this one
17.
and 17. Mini split. 8:30, 24 on a day in San Jose that's not that hot. Is this not a hot day, Chris?
No, it's not hot there.
What do you think the temperature is right now?
About like 8,
And hot would be in the 90s?
hotter than the 90s.
So this is a good day to do air conditioning.